The more advanced tune of Cluck 10 is more exciting, and we're going to do a swing with it at the end because we have all of these eighth notes that we get to work with. But it's very similar to what we did work with the basic version. A, D, C, A, D, G. So, A, D, A, B, and ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Or I'm not going to swing it. So, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. 4, and this leads you into either the beginning or into that next part. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we have that slur in there. So we are still in that D major, but we have all of these C naturals that put us more into a mode instead of a D major. So that low 2. Now they put it here. We're in the same measure here. So this is also going to be that low 2. As soon as we get into this bar line comes, as soon as we come into another measure and we have another C, oops, they want us to have a C natural again. And look, it's right there as well. And that's what that bar line does, is it cancels it out. So if they want to have a natural again, they have to signify that. So A, D, A, C, D, C, B, A, D, A, G, A, B, D. Watch out for that skip. D, B, D, A, D, A, C, D, C, B, A, G, F, F, D. So this is our low 2 to our high 2, just the way that we had in the other one. D, E, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. All right. So what I had us do in the previous one is that we did down downs for these, and we have this this plus right here so that we can do pizzicato, and that's why I go plus, because we're doing that. So that plus sign means that we're doing it with our left hand. And so since I'm doing that second finger there, I'm going to pick it with my second finger, just like we did in the last, the basic version. D, plick, F, F, G, D, bum, F, F, G, D, pits again with that left hand, but we have a third finger right here. So we're going to use that third finger to pluck that one. 3, 3, 1. This is our CA 3, 1. The line is going through that. So that is CA, D, E, D, E, F, G, F, G. And that is a high 2 because it doesn't have anything before it. And we are going to observe that F sharp right there. F, G, F, G, A, G, F, F, D. I don't think my camera's out of focus. I think it just might be this one. I can't tell. Maybe. All right. Well, we're working with it anyway. So this is our low, high. Low 2, high 2, open. So this seems to be a troublesome part for a lot of people. Down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's pick this apart a little bit. This is half bow right here, half bow. This is whole bow. This is half bow, and this is whole bow. All right. So this is lower half, whole bow, upper half, U, H, and then upper half, and then whole bow. That's what we really want to feel. Down, up, down, up, but, and same thing right here. Down, up, and that's going to take us all the way. And so our repeats, line 1, line 2, and then line 3, line 4, we're going to repeat. All right, let's pluck through that, and then we'll do it with the bow. All right, getting those fingers comfortable and confident before we get that bow involved. A, D, A, C, D, C, B. 1, 2, and ready, and go, and A, D, A, C, D, C, B, A, D, A, G, A, B, D, A, D, A, low 2 again, low, high, D, D, E, repeat, This leads into the next part. Left hand, 2, plits, 2, 2, 3, D. Third finger plits, G string, 3, 1, D, E, D, E, F, G, A, G, 2, 2, D. Repeat. Do, D. Second finger, long, ba, da, D. Third finger, 3 on the G string. 3, 1, D, E, D, E, 2, 3, 2, 3, A, 3, 2, 2, D. Okay, so certain things you're going to have to get used to. So just the first measure, let's feel that out. A, D, A, D. So just getting that bowing down, it can be very comfortable. Long, slur, half, 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 half. Lower half, whole bows. Lower half, walk down, slide. Repeat. Whole bow, lower half. Lower half, skip, long bow, long bow. Leading into the second part. So let's look at 5, that measure, down, plucks, down, up, down, plucks, down. And so that's what I want you to practice again and again, get really comfortable. So let's do down, 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 third finger, 3, 1. Let's do that quite a few times just so that we can get that in our fingers. Ready, go, D. Second finger, down again, up, down, plits, down, up. Same thing again. Ready, and go, and down, down, up. Take your time and get really comfortable with that. See, there's a theme going on. Now the next part, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're doing half, half, whole, half, half, whole. That's what my bow is doing, but my fingers are doing other things, so it gets really confusing. So take your time. D, E, D, E, F, G, F, G, A, G. So that last measure is just like what we did before. So let's work that measure 7 a few times. Ready, and go, in. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, again. Ready, and go, and down, up, down, up. All right, one more time. Ready, and go, and. Awesome. Now let's take 5 to the end. Ready, go. Third finger. All right, let's do this with the metronome. And we're not going to take it too fast because it only goes up to 90 and we want to have it nice and bluesy. And so we're going to do it this way, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with a little bit of a swing to it. So let's do it the whole thing through with the repeats so that you can follow along and be very confident, because comfortable and confident is what we need. 1, 2, ready, go. Third finger. All right, so to get this to be more bluesy or more jazzy, I like to add a swing to it. And so we can use I like to think of it as either a dotted eighth note and a 16th note, or more commonly used is the 6/8 kind of thing. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2. And so it's getting this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That kind of feeling behind it. So we can easily, I want you to spend your time. And because we have these different bowings of this, then that slur, and then the separate bowings again. So take your time with trying to get this feel. Listen to it and try to get it. 1, I'm going to do it with the repeat. 1, 2, ready, go. I did add some slides into the first part because we had slides in the second part, and so why not add some more slides? So I did a low 3 to a high 3. Slide. And so I usually add them more into the downbeats or notes that have more time so that I can slide into them, but experiment to see what you can get away with and what makes it fun for you. All right, happy practice.